I'm with my daughter Sherry today and we're about to start a new project.
We're working in this bathroom today, and since I'm a tiler, I'm gonna be laying this floor.
In over 30 years of experience, I gotta tell you, I've seen a lot of bad tiling jobs, and it's usually because nobody tends to level the floor first. In this case, we have a floor that drops down against the wall, and we're gonna put down a self-leveler. It's a Sika 125. It will bond to almost any single surface.
You can lay vinyl, tile, hardwood, and even carpet. Starting with a flat and level floor is very important. It helps make my job a lot easier. It helps prevent cracking, dips, and even squeaks. And you hate squeaks.
The dips in the floor, that's unacceptable. Anytime you're gonna tile, you want it to be 100% level and or true. First thing we're going to do is prep the floor, and that's putting down a primer. I love this primer, it dries in about an hour. Roll it on the floor, it goes down as a green, and once it starts to dry, it becomes translucent. It's pretty simple. Touch it with your finger. If it sticks to your finger, it's not dry yet, but pretty much after an hour, you're good.
Well, this floor has already been primed, so we're good to start.
Tell you what, I'll mix the Sika 125.
Thank you.
Okay. 4 liters of water, whole bag right in the bucket. Mix it up. So that was easy. You're ready to pour.
All right. Thanks for the help. Oh my goodness.
Is it heavy?
No.
With Sika Level 125, there's no need to level by hand the traditional way. Its high flow fluidity and self-leveling properties allows it to be applied either manually or by pump. It can be poured up to 1.5 inches and can be walked on after 4 hours.
The best thing about it is that it's quick and easy to install, and it works great with in-floor radiant heating.
All right, when are you ready to tile?
I can lay the tile 24 hours after we pour the self-leveler, so we'll be back tomorrow morning.
The Sika Level 125 is an excellent underlayment. It's great to bond to wood, concrete, and it's perfect for tiles. Low VOCs and low odor. And I gotta say, that's making it right.